Hey guys, what's up? My name is Victoria. If you've been here before, hey. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I've created this basic babe natural daytime makeup look with 10 makeup items or less. So if you like it, if you like this makeup tutorial, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and make sure you click that bell to get notified when I upload another video. So first off, I'm going to start with this Maybelline Master Primer and Base. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of this and put it all over put where I get red, which is my cheek. It's basically all over my face. And this is gonna help create that tacky layer so your foundation will stick. Now I'm going to go in with my Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. And I'm just using my fingers to blend this in. And now I'm going to go in with this Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral 12N and just spot conceal right here. There. There. And then I'm just gonna go in and highlight the rest of my face with whatever's left on my wand. So I'm just gonna go in with this Equal Tools brush. And I'm going to blend out the concealer. And whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to put on my eyelid to get prepped for our shadow. Yeah, same thing with that. I'm just going to take whatever is on my brush and prep my eyelid. Now, translucent powder is non-negotiable for me because I can be an oily disco ball at the end of the day. So I have to set my face. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just set everywhere. And this is Ciate London Translucent Powder. Now it's time for the brows. I'm just using this mirror. I'm not using this e.l.f. eyeshadow kit. I'm actually using this Maybelline Express Brow in, what shade is it? 257 medium brown. And I love how fine the tip is on this. You can see it. Makes it easier with getting into those fine details. And now if you want to do like any sort of eyeshadow, you can always go in with your bronzer and put this in your crease, which is what I'm going to do right now. And just put this all over your lid. Or your crease if you want to. I'm just putting it all over my lid. And then if you want a little shimmer, you can go in with your highlighter. I'm going in with this one by Maybelline. I'm just using the same brush as I use as the bronzer. Tap off the excess. And just put it in the corner or wherever you want to put it on your eyelid. And just tap to blend it. And then I'm going to go in with this little brush here and go back into the bronzer and just blend those two colors together. Beautiful. And because I'm going in with mascara, this isn't a makeup item, this is a makeup tool, so it doesn't count for the 10 items or less. So I'm going to use this to curl my lashes. And I'm going to go in with this. My hair is so frizzy. With this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And it's waterproof. And I'm just going to do a couple coats of mascara. Now I got some on my eyeshadow, so I'm just going to let that dry, obviously. And then go in with a spoolie or more of the bronzer and just cover it up. So now I'm going to go in with this bronzer that I used on my eyelids and bronze up the face. I like to go in threes with my bronzer, especially since I have a round face, and just do the chin to get rid of that double chin. And then whatever I have left on the brush, I'll just go along my jawbone. And then I always do the neck just so I have that seamless blend. And we're done with that. Now it's time to go back in. Oh my gosh, my hair is so frizzy. Now it's time to go back in with that Maybelline Master Chrome. This is in Molten Rose Gold. And I'm just going to use this Luxie 237 blending brush and do the pinpoint and highlight the pinpoints in my face. And I'm doing 2 options for lips. Actually, no, I'm just gonna go in with that. This, I don't know where this is by. But it's just a lip gloss. I don't know what it's by. And put gloss on my lips. And that is the end of it, guys.